Why intimacy start feeling like pressure? Hello, I'm Mary Gadege, the creator of the Intimate Confidence Method. One of the most common things people experience in a relationship is something they rarely talk about. Intimacy start feeling like pressure. At first, everything feels natural. Then over time, it feels, instead of connecting, people start feeling like what they were expecting is not what they are getting. So the expectation of what they were looking for is not what they are getting. Some people also fear disappointing the other partner. And sometimes they start overthinking things. Am I good enough? Am I doing the right thing? Am I satisfying my partner? Am I making my partner happy? They start overthinking. Also, the emotional distance. If there is a rift in a relationship, sometimes it can also create that pressure. And many people assume the problem is physical. Sometimes it's really not really physical. And when emotional safety weakens, the brain shifts into protection mode, and protection creates pressure. So when pressure creates anxiety. Okay? So, and anxiety interferes with the connection. When you're anxious before performing, when you're anxious, when you're intimate, it interferes with the connection you have with your partner. This is what I call the emotional safety collapse. It is the moment when when intimacy stop feeling like connection and start feeling like performance. Okay? It is the moment when intimacy stop feeling like it is a connection and start feeling like performance. The good news is this pattern is reversible. You can reverse it. You can change the pattern. When the emotional safety is rebuilt, confidence often returns naturally. So, what do I mean by that? If you are anxious performing, if you are not confident in what you are doing, it means maybe you are anxious, or the connection is not there, or the pressure is too much. So you can rebuild the connection, you can rebuild your confidence, and the performance can return naturally. If you want to understand this pattern more deeply, I've created a free guide. Called the Emotional Safety Collapse. You can download it below. The link is in the bio. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know if this video has helped you. Also share with somebody you know that might require or need to hear this information. And when I say subscribe, make sure you subscribe so that you can see the other videos I'll be creating. Okay? So for now, bye.